top of that, it's also 31.9 THC. Like it's a heavy hitter. It's kind of ridiculous. But if you've been smoking for the last 10 years, you're kind of always looking to push the envelope anyway.
Yeah.
It's
That's how motherfuckers do crack.
I mean, I think it might honestly, bro, I think it might be a problem in the industry because when you look at how like when you look at 10 years ago, like how strong THC was, or even 15 years ago, like a lot of things weren't even 15%. So now you have people that if they've been smoking a long time, they're almost like chasing the high, like
Yeah.
pushing people into a space that the cannabis field was trying to say that they're not. And like, yeah, you can say that you're not, but I mean, if people are now just chasing the number and then hoping the effect is going to give them the effect, then you have people that are missing out on quality products. And just because the verbiage doesn't say it's 30%, people think it's not going to match their needs, which is just not the case. It's just been the marketing because that's just what that's all they had.
Hmm.
I think in the future, once you can say, hey, I like these flavors, I think you'll be able to, be able to punch in the flavors of things that you like and how long you've been smoking and, what area you mostly get like your strains. You'll be able to get strain specific to you in the future.
Yeah.
But right now, I feel like it's just seeing how far this plant can really take, how much THC it can really consume if you give it the best condition. And I don't know, man. I think it's going to push people into something other than THC once it becomes legalized because if there's no cap on it, at some point people be like, oh, this shit don't work no more.
Yeah. Crazy.
I think that was a little long-winded, but I mean that's
We here.
that's how I look at it. You know what I mean? In
No,
the
yeah,
future, you have
I'm
something like this.
fine
What is
while
it?
you talk. So you get like
You just draw. You just be like,
we'll have like, you know what I'm saying? There'll be something that come out something's gonna come out of it. Nah, that's interesting. And I don't want to go too deep into this next topic that I'm gonna kind of bring up.
go
But
deep. It's gonna cut it up. Go
no,
deep.
yeah, but that kind of made me think about AI, low key, right? Like we've gotten to a point of like AI is kind of developing so fast, since it kind of boomed. I think I learned about ChatGPT probably like last year, right? And now that's my friend. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
and granted, that's how friendships are built, right? Sometimes you meet someone a year ago, now this is you and this person are like tight, right? But then it's like where, and it's constantly advanced. What is the cap, and what is the, let's say, the next level beyond AI? You know what I'm saying? Like just in your example, you're like with well, not example, what you're saying about like weed, it being not you weren't saying watered down. You were saying it being basically like our tolerance is getting higher, and also the what's it called? Say it. You got to help me out.
I don't know what you're trying to say. I
our
don't.
tolerance is getting higher, but also the weed, is it getting stronger, or is it getting
Oh, both.
weak? Okay,
The weed 10 years ago wasn't even getting anywhere near 30%.
right.
Based off the conditions that it was allowed.
So then and then even back then, people, weed was considered a gateway drug, right? So it's like you go to you talk about like, okay, you smoke, and then the next thing, all right, I'm not getting high enough, so now I got to stay.
I mean, you ain't gotta go to crack.
That's just the first thing that's coming to mind.
Hey, yo, look. Hey, ain't got no skin in the game there. All I'm saying is
I am not.
1%, 32%, 35%. Like it's not. You can't even have a real true conversation
Let
of
me.
what weed was 10 years ago in comparison because it's just not the same. If you drink
Yeah.